Alright, what's up guys? Stixx Picks. You guys can't really see me, it's dark out here, but what's up y'all? Stixx Picks here, you know, back with another video. Of course, we are at the flea market with a picking video, but it's early right now, so not many people even really set up. It's cool to like walk around though in the early morning just to see, but let's see what we can find. How much on the movies?
Only 2 people have asked, and they both were like, what? Yeah, $50.
Excuse me? How much on the movies?
The movies, I do $1, but series, I do $5 for the series. See that picture?
Okay, if you run into a guy that does jewelry, that's a $1.5
$5 for a TV series. I don't know if that's really profitable. I would have bought it if it was $1, you know? I bet I could have scanned it and it would sell for like, there's a lot of bowling balls. Dang.
I'm never looking for any balls, bro.
Yeah, I don't know. I have a bowling ball myself. I think I'm good. He's got a lot though. Look at him. He must be a bowler himself. He got a bowling unit or something. Look at all that. My ball kind of looks like that one. We don't really come on Thursdays. I think I know why we don't really go on Thursdays, because they're really slow days. It seems like Mondays are like best day. That's why I always go, like every Monday. How much on these guitars?
5 for both.
Did you do $3?
That's fine.
Yo.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right. I mean, I didn't take the time to look these ones up because I don't know if you guys remember. If you guys watching the last video, I bought like 2 Guitar Hero guitars like this. I listed it for $25. Bought it for $1. I bought these for $1.50 technically each. And let's see what they're worth. They're not Wii Guitar Hero guitars like the last one I bought. That one I knew was good. Like I already knew that price. This one I'm not exactly sure of. So this is a bit of a gamble. I mean, I paid $3 for both of them. Definitely probably profitable. Right? So I just looked these up. You know, I already knew that they were worth it. This one was worth $30. This one right here, it's worth about like $30. And this one with the game and the wire is worth like $50. But they're missing the game and the wire, so it's probably like $26. Probably. All right, let's show off our stall a little bit. You know, it's a little bit of a dry stall. We usually have like 4 full stalls of stuff, but we only got 2 of the same stuff. We got some water purifiers. We got a nice bike though. Someone just walked up and told me it's a really nice bike. I remember we paid like $100 a couple weeks ago. We bought this at this flea market, and apparently it's worth like $800. Well, my dad did, but still, he bought this. It's worth like $800. We're only asking like $300 for it here. We're giving out some deals. We got some totes. That's our biggest sale for today. It's just totes. Just giving away totes. Some garbage cans. And a bunch of computer parts. If you guys remember from my dad's storage unit, he's giving away these computer parts after a while. He's just trying to get rid of them finally. We got a bed. Broken TV. Not too crazy of a stall today. Usually we have a lot more of a variety, but it's all right. All right, time to go walk around again. We already have a good sale for the day, or good buy for the day, pick of the day. I'm happy.
Give me $10. Give me 8. I could do 8 for you. Yep.
Mira, es esto y un ventilador.
Un ventilador. ¿Cuadrado?
A lot of people keep coming up and talking to me now. I kind of like that. You know, they kind of recognize me because I keep walking around here every, like 2 or 3 times a week. They just recognize me. I recognize them too, of course, because I see them. But surprisingly, they just come up and talk to me like, yo, what's up? How you doing? You find anything good recently? Talking to me more than just Mike's son, you know. That's what most people know me as here though, just Mike's son, because a lot of people just know my dad. He's been doing this for like 20 years, so a lot of people just know him. Everybody knows me as Mike's son, you know, Pirate Son, Little Mike. A lot of empty stalls, okay. I mean, looks like that's how Thursdays are. Look at that. Look at that. It's just completely empty right there. Like the whole middle is just gone. Nobody's here. What the heck?
How much?
It's theirs.
How much? How much is this?
Yeah, I think it's like a car sticker, but I should be driving the white truck soon, if I'm not mistaken. So boom, it's perfect. Yo, guys. Free, free, free. Everything is free. Take what you like. Fill the box and go. Take it. We don't care. I think I just to carry stuff. Free. Free. You have to take the box springs though. There's the one exception. It unfortunately doesn't work though. We tried turning it on and it doesn't turn.
We can't turn it on.
Yeah. A lot of these stalls are like similar stuff. It's weird. Like we got the clothes lots, we got the toy slots, we got like the hair / cleaning lots. Like it's great. It seems like people just like selling the same stuff every week. Hey y'all, we're out. We're done. We packed up. We're bringing the rest of this to the dump. We're done with it. We're out. It's garbage, honestly. We've had those computer parts for a long time. He's had it for like 2 years, so we're getting rid of them. We're getting rid of them. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like the video. You don't obviously have to, but it'd be cool and all. And we're out. Thank you for watching. Especially if you watch the outro. I always say that, you know, if you watch the outro, it means you watch the whole video, and I appreciate that. And we're out.